to Wi-Fi. Incorrect Wi-Fi password.
Hi guys, it's DK388. 3 years ago I made this little video on a Tapo C220 indoor camera, unboxing and setting up. It's about July 2022 and it turns out to be one of my most viewed video, 128,000 views. So thank you all for the likes, comments and subscribes. So for about 3 years anniversary I'll do a follow-up video with this Tapo C220. It's a very similar camera, indoor camera, and this is a 2K version, QHD, with some built-in AI, human and pet detection software. Some of the AI features include detecting different types of pets, whether it's a cat, dog, and also different types of audio, if it's a car passing, smashing glass, baby crying, so it's a bit more AI aware on the surroundings. And again, this is the C220 model with the 2K camera. It's about 1.7 times more detailed, and of course it's made in China. So yeah, let's get this open and see what it's all about. Diving straight in, we've got some bump, and then we got the sort of power adapter, and measures about 1.4 meters in length. We got a wall mount plate, and we got some raw plugs and screws for the fixings, and then onto the main course. We got the camera itself. Physically, the camera is the same dimension as the TC70. Visually it looks very similar as well. The only difference is the base is now black, and there's also a sort of branding on the front. I'll just show you here, which is now the crystal clear 2K QHD branding on there. And as the previous model, you got the power port at the back along with the speaker. And just looking at the quick start guide, we just need to download the app, available on Google Play or the Apple App Store. And then you just need to power it up and then sort of pair the two together, and then pair the camera to the hub, which we'll do all in this video. We don't need to mount it as it's going to be sitting on a side table, and also we're going to be inserting the SD card in this video as well. So let's get straight to it. So on the Google Store, we'll search for the app, and this looks like the one. I think it's 10 million downloads, 4.6 views. So let's get this downloaded. And once it's downloaded, we can open it up. And like any other sort of app, we just need to create an account using your email and to verify it. And once you've done all that, we can power up the camera. As you can see, it's flashing red, and it'll do its initialization. This is just sped up for the purpose of the video. And once it's done that, it will flash green and red, and then open the app, add device, select your product. In this case it's an indoor camera, and you can either search or scroll to the camera model, which is a C220. And then once it's powered up, you can see it's flashing green and red, and we need to pair it to the app. And once it's found it, next is to pair it to the internet hub at home. So once you do that, select your internet name and put your password in, and then we need to give this camera a location. This one's going to be in the living room, so select that, and then you get a variety of icons you can add. There's plenty to choose from, so in this case I think we'll just choose a sofa, and that's the camera all set up and ready to go. And if you're looking for the user manual, you just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, support center, and then look for your camera and just download it onto your phone so you can refer it anytime you want. It's quite in depth, and you can just search for what you need if you want to unsure about something on the app or the camera. You can always refer it to your download copy, and it's also available online as well on your laptop or PC. Now this bit, we're going to install the micro SD, so manually lift the camera up and push the camera up and then it exposes the SD card slot along with the reset button if you ever need that. So insert your card. Now on the app it will notify you it's found a new memory card, and you just need to initialize it. And once it's done that, you're ready to rock and roll. The camera's ready to record and activate, so I'll just need to go through any customization settings, any scheduling that you want to do. I'll just test the alarm as shown here. So it caught me off guard a bit. And this is the nighttime test, the IR vision. And it is an improvement on the previous model, the TC70. I think was up to 30 feet, and this model's up to 40 feet. It's an increase of 10 feet. And just to demonstrate this, sort of the quality of the 2K camera, as you can see. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Hope it's been useful. And if you're interested in buying, I'll leave the Amazon link below. But yeah, thank you again, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.